the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yesterday I have shared resume format, okay, template. Have you gone through, everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon. Yes, ma'am. We are preparing, ma'am.
Okay, good to know. Everybody is preparing resume.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We have seen it, ma'am. Inshallah, we will prepare, ma'am. Inshallah. According to the template, ma'am. Inshallah.
Yeah. So resume pronunciation should be correct. Okay, resume, that is resume. So today also I will discuss about the things about the introduction part. What are the things you have to take care and what you have to say in the introduction part. Okay. So I will share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
So be thorough in this introduction part. Okay, as you thorough in this introduction part, so you can go through the next is second round is a technical one. If you have well versed with the subject, you can go through it. This is the initial stage of this one introduction. Okay, so introduction, giving your introduction in front of the interviewer. Okay, so he may ask in different ways question. Okay, question for introduction yourself. These are the different questions the interviewer will ask. Different ways of asking about you. Tell me something about yourself. Run me through your resume. Take me through your resume. Talk in brief about yourself. These are the different ways of asking about yourself. Okay. The next, why is the question? This question is asked by the interviewer. Okay, this question is asked by the interviewer to check your communication skills and how do you present yourself and your confidence level. This question is asked, tell me about yourself, is to check your confidence level and how presentable you are and how you will communicate the things. Communication skills, okay? How you will communicate the skills, things, whatever you have written in your resume. Then for this answers, start with the one sentence introduction. Okay, start with a one sentence introduction saying like how you will say. Give your introduction, how you will say. If interviewer asks you the question, tell me about yourself, how you will start. If suppose example, you are entering into the room of the interview. Okay, you have entered and you are taking your seat in front of the interviewer. How you will sit? So before entering into the room of the interview, keep your cell phone in your pocket. Don't keep it on the table, your cell phone. Before going to the room, interview room, keep your cell phone in your pocket and sit prop. Whatever you are carrying, your bag, keep aside. Keep beside you, not on the table. And don't keep your hands on the table. Don't keep anything on the table in front of the interviewer. And sit straight and eye contact and be confident. So these are the things physically you have to take care. Don't keep your hand on the table. Don't keep anything on the table. Keep everything beside you, aside. Then start with a sentence introduction saying, who are you? Okay. If suppose you are from IT professional, you can say, don't say myself. Say, I am a developer with 7 years of experience specializing in gaming app development. If you are a fresher, I have recently completed my graduation in commerce or computer engineering. So this is a one sentence introduction about yourself. Okay. So just I am so and so, have and a Java programmer with 7 years of experience specializing in gaming app development. If you are a fresher, I am XYZ and have done my, I have recently completed my graduation in commerce or computer engineering. Then say about your achievements, important. Like example, I'm a professional computer programmer with knowledge of various programming languages like Java, JavaScript, shell scripting. Then about your, during your course, what are the achievements? My last year college project was developing a mobile app for food delivery that I completed successfully with excellent results. Then talk about your job. Okay, last job. Yeah, or why, talk about why you need this job. First, say that I'm quite happy with my current job. I'm very particular about my schedule and always manage my time efficiently. I am a bachelor and willing to take any kind of opportunity in your company that will allow my skills to grow. Then here you have, tell me about yourself, 10 steps process of self-introduction. First, start with the greeting and thank you for giving me this opportunity, and say, like, don't say myself, I am full name, then how you are qualified, position and company. If you have experience, then qualification, I have completed a bachelor's in engineering with a specialization in information technology. Or I was part of the research project on how modern technologies change the way of teaching in the future, where we worked an ed tech company to evaluate the efficiency. Efficiency and efficacy is different word. Efficacy is you are giving the, applying the efforts to deserve something. Okay, then additional qualification, outside courses, suppose you have done .NET or you have learned any language, then your skills, then awards you have received. And use some adjective words like versatile, easygoing, I am very easygoing, I have a versatile personality, solution oriented, open-minded, determined, team player, creative, open-minded, enjoy working with others. Hobbies, you can add this one, trekking and mountaineering. Okay, trekking and mountaineering means this activity, doing this activity has shown me that good strategy, consistency and determination can help you overcome any obstacle. So this hobby, we have missed this hobby, trekking and mountaineering. Okay, mountaineering. Okay, this one is very much important. Then final tips for introduction. Write your introduction and include your top selling points. Jot down and learn only key points. Length of introduction approximately 1 minute. Maintain eye contact and look confident and sound happy. So these are the things you should take care of, these things while giving your introduction part. So let us start with, jot down the things and start your introduction. Now I can hope that you have a clear picture of how to give an introduction. So please, you have diary and pen with you, jot down the points and say it here itself. So question is this is the question for communication skill. Tell me about yourself and how do you present yourself and your confidence level. Yes, please come up with your introduction part. Mr. Sheikh Hussain, Mr. Amjad. Mr. Azimuddin. Yes, please come up with your introduction part. Mr. Taqir Altaf, Mr. Sheikh Hussain, Mr. Azimuddin.
Hello, ma'am. Meanwhile, can I start? Hello. Hello, madam.
Yes, sir, please.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I can start, ma'am. I
Yes,
think
sir.
they are preparing. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
evening.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Good evening. Thank you for giving me opportunity. My name is Riaz Ahmad. I have done my BTech from specified field CSC. I have 3 years in experience in digital process computer operations. Here we have our own in-house company tools to process the data. My role is planning, coordinating, managing day-to-day activities, handling process requests, and also dealing with the client, provided support on issue related and processing platform. Before that, I have experience in Gulf as sales coordinator. I have done my academic project from Orbit Institute. I have done my project on employment separate system. I am Microsoft certified and Oracle certified associate. My biggest achievement is overcoming fear of failure. It gives me a complete sense of living and makes me more confident. My short-term goal is to work in a reputed organization like yours where I can enhance my technical skills and knowledge. My long-term goal is to see the company at the topmost position where I am one of the people responsible for that. My greatest strength is my ability to focus on my work. I am not easily distracted and I always understand the value of time, and I am always able to innovate and listen to advice from others. I am a straightforward person and I cannot say no when someone asks for the help. My hobbies are volunteering, helping people whom I know or whom I don't know. Conclusion, I have ability to develop and maintain close relationship with others, support and development team members. Thank you.
Good. Very effective, this one, and confident, but some style should have.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. I'm
Lots of change
okay.
in your introduction, mashallah.
Thank you.
So without seeing, you have given, or with seeing?
Like, ma'am, some points I'm seeing, starting I'm seeing and continuing, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So please try to avoid this, okay?
Yes.
Because I have come across that you are seeing and saying like that.
Yes, ma'am.
So practice, inshallah, without seeing, you can do it.
Okay, okay. I will.
Okay, so please
Yes.
inculcate some style, okay, some accent while speaking. Okay,
Okay.
give
Okay.
your best communicating.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Communication.
Yes, I will. I
Have to
will.
give. Okay, content is good. Everything.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, ma'am.
you have exceed 1 minute. Okay, no problem. Yes, no problem.
Okay.
Within 2 minutes, you have done your introduction.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Like we have to take less time, ma'am, for this introduction.
Like less time it's saying, because okay, 2 minutes approximately.
Okay.
Maximum 2, minimum 1.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, because candidates, they will call no for like the interesting one. So make it interesting, then catch you also. introduction part. So 2 minutes, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Next, please.
Yes, ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, sir. Jazakallah. Great. Walaikum assalam.
Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, all. First of all, I'd like to thank you for giving me the opportunity. I am Usman Ali, born and brought up in Hyderabad. I have completed my master's in communication systems engineering, and I have 9 years of professional experience, out of which I have worked for 6 years in academics as an assistant professor. During this tenure, I got an opportunity to guide a lot of students in their academic prospectus and achieving their career goals. My strength is I have excellent public speaking skills, mentoring and counseling skills, and I'm well versed with the software tools such as Microsoft applications, and I'm working on this various hacking tools and this penetration testing tools and this Kali Linux operating system, and I'm working on it. I have a desire to make a career in the cybersecurity domain, and a long-term goal to contribute to the success of the company, wherein I can give a positive impact on the life of the people. My strength is my confidence and optimistic approach to the happenings of life, and my weakness is I'm a very emotional person, and I cannot say no to the people when they ask me for the help. My hobbies are learning new skills and technologies and reading technology related articles on web and maintaining a perfect physical and mental health. And to conclude, I'm very thankful for your patient hearing, and I am looking forward for a positive response from your end. Thank you very much.
Okay, great. MashaAllah, good. So you can make it more effective also.
Yes, ma'am.
Please
Yes,
do
ma'am.
that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Prepare for the resume also, skill set.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Inshallah, ma'am.
Okay, inshallah.
Resume, inshallah, according to the template which you have shared in the group, inshallah, ma'am, we will make it in a day maximum, ma'am. In a day or two maximum, yeah. Inshallah, ma'am.
Okay, inshallah. That is Alia Muhammad. That resume is there, no? It's very nice.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's excellent. That one you just follow. I have given 2 or 3 samples.
Yes, ma'am.
So that one is best one.
Alia Muhammad.
Alia Muhammad, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah, we'll follow the same. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
thank
sir.
you.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Next, please. Come up, please. Only few lines.
Ma'am, how much time I took, ma'am, for like, have you seen, ma'am?
Madam,
I think so. 3 minutes you have taken. 2 minutes, I think so.
Achha, 2 minutes.
2.5 minutes.
Yeah, 2.5 minutes. It has exceeded more than 2 minutes, right, ma'am?
Yeah, 2.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
ma'am. Yeah.
Inshallah, ma'am. I'll try to keep it within 2 minutes, ma'am. Inshallah, from tomorrow I'll try to.
Yes. Focus on achievement. Okay. Achievement, qualification.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In short, achievement also and your project.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
In your working process, how you are just marketing. You're doing your marketing about your profession.
Yes, ma'am.
So say according to that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Yes, brother Tawheer, you can go ahead. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Tawheer, go ahead.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Yeah, madam. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible. You can continue, please.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Welcome. Yes.
Okay, madam. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Muhammad Tawheer Altaf. I have done my MBA with HR. Have been into recruitment, which is related to the human resources function. I hire people from various IT backgrounds and non-IT backgrounds. I have over 15 years of experience. I have been in working for US IT companies, and last year I have been to Dubai as well, and catered to most of the major corporations in US and Middle East. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Okay, great introduction. Nice to know about you. Okay, next please,
Thank
Mr.
you.
Azimuddin. Please, next please. Please, next please. This is the mock interviews we are conducting. This is the platform where you are giving your interviews, mock interviews. Please go ahead. Yes. Please come up with your introduction part. Yes. Anybody, please come up with your introduction part. Okay, I will share one video with you so that see the little boy of class 3rd. He has given a speech, elocution competition. In elocution competition, topic is Umar Razi Allah Anhu ke baare mein. He has given a speech on Umar Razi Allah Anhu. So I want to share the video. He is one of my student. Okay, just have a look how confidently he has given his speech. So how he has given his speech, we have seen. So please come up with your introduction part. Yes, Mr. Abdul Wasi, you want to give your introduction? Please, Muhammad Usman. Muhammad Amjad, please, Mr. Muhammad Amjad. Okay, meantime, we'll start with the questions you have prepared. I have shared some questions related to the interview. Just share your answers. Yes, anybody? Share your answers. Yes, anybody share your answers. You have prepared for the questions I have shared with you. Yes. I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am audible. Yes, please share your answers.
Ma'am, I have
Or
prepared
else shall we
different.
move towards... yes?
Like in internet, I was searching for HR questions, ma'am, because the final interview will be for HR or no, ma'am. I got some 50 questions, ma'am. I was preparing
Yes.
that one. Like here,
Okay.
questions were like, would you like for the
So
company?
share few questions.
Okay, I will share two questions,
Yes.
ma'am. First is explain how would you be an asset for this organization. I have written, ma'am, this one. I'm just reading this one. Okay. Yeah. To become an asset for an organization, we
Okay.
have to be punctual, dedicated, quickly adopt of the environment and positive working attitude. And I have all these quantities, so I will be prove an asset for this company.
Yes, very good answer.
And the second question is like, would you lie for the company? Probably I would say no for a lie, but
Would
if
you?
condition persists, would you lie for the company?
Okay, okay. Yes.
Probably I would say no for a lie, but if conditions persist that my life will help thousands of person, then it is not giving any impact to other person, then I will agree with the lie. My one lie results lot of success and happiness without hurting other rights, then I expect to do this.
Yes.
And one more question also.
Yes, good answer.
What does success mean to you? If I feel I am making a difference working with a team or people to make a more profitable company, it is a success for me.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What happened?
I don't know. Oh, ma'am suddenly left. Ma'am was not coming and disconnected.
Is there any problem?
I don't know. Maybe you should contact for ma'am. Once you contact ma'am and you can know.
Okay, let me try.
Okay.
Actually, ma'am has some technical issues, so
Okay.
just she left. Now she is connecting.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry for the interruption. Due to the technical problem, it got disconnected. Yes, continue with your question and answers, Mr. Riaz Ahmed.
Yes, ma'am. Last question, I was saying, what does success mean to you?
Yes.
If I feel I am making a difference working with a team or people to make a more profitable company, it is a success for me.
Yes. Good.
Ma'am, I have prepared 40 plus questions, ma'am. I am left with more 10 questions.
Okay,
I have
fine.
prepared and I am daily practicing so that within 1-2 months I'll be perfect.
Inshallah. Okay, fine. Good. Good to know how you are doing your preparation. MashaAllah. Good.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, continue. If you want to give introduction, Muhammad Amjad, Mr. Abdul Wase, please. Muhammad Usman, Mr. Muhammad Usman, please give your introduction. Or share your what are the you have come across with the things. You share your things, how your preparation is going, or share the things about that, or we'll move towards other activity. Okay, shall we move towards other activity, or you want to say? Anybody, please? Yes, English communication activities. We have done small talk. On small talk, anybody you want to give any on this topic: work, life, travel, food, weather, or these are the questions. Few questions you have to talk on this few questions. I will check how many minutes you will take for this 5 questions. One by one, answer these questions one by one. Okay, 5 questions you have. So start with the first question and give the answers. I will check how much time you are taking. Okay. Let us start with Mr. Muhammad Usman, please. Can you see the screen? Yes, about the small talk on work. So these are the 5 questions on work. What do you do? What motivated you to become a dash? Did you always want to be an engineer, want to be an engineer? What was your first ever job? What does a typical work day look like? Work related few questions for you. Okay, what do you do? What motivated you to become? Did you always want to be? What was your first ever job? What does a typical work day look like?
Yes, ma'am. Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to use this template, ma'am. These questions that are there on the screen.
Yeah, and any of your choice. If you want to say about on work, continue with that. If you want to say on these questions, you can.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So about the work, I usually do, like, currently I'm actually on the vacation. I was working as an pre-sales coordinator and a marketing executive back in Saudi Arabia. So I'm actually on the vacation back in India. So I don't know whether I'll be going back or I'll be staying back here. So it's most probably that, I have some issues with my family, so I'll be staying back. So coming to my motivation that had motivated me, I want to start with my technical qualifications. I'm master's in engineering. So at the time of engineering, actually, I came to know the actual methodology of learning. Actually, the learning is learning with understanding. Actually, you have to conceptualize the things, and you have to understand. I believe that engineering or any other science, it's actually about how you and understand how you visualize and how you understand the things. It's not all about you memorize and you try to get the marks, but how much you take the subject, how much you understand, and how you actually try to reproduce the things that you have learned in your real life to tackle the real life situations. That is what is the actual purpose of education. That so in my engineering, I actually came to know the real purpose of education. So it has motivated me a lot, like at the time of doing engineering. So I thought, inshallah, I could become something in my life, at least, if not anything. So I always wanted to be a successful technical professional, like who can make a positive impact on the lives of the people. So it's not about I don't want to be a famous person, but I know I just want to make sure that in my family and with my friends and everything, I'm able to make a positive change in my life, like like the people, like usually, you know, in our families, we actually compare our success with success of others.
Yes.
So it's like, you know, I just wanted to, you know, make a positive impact on their life. So that's what I always wanted to be a professional technically qualified person. So my first ever job after completing my engineering was, you know, I was actually searching for various jobs after completing of engineering. This is the time around 2011. So I got a job as a technical support executive. And I also got a job as an lecturer in engineering college. I don't know why, but I have opted for a lecturer in an engineering college. So like it was also a very good experience. You know, I believe that, you know, because of going in engineering, I got to like my skills of public speaking skills and convincing skills. It has improved me a lot. You know, when I was in school and when I was in my high intermediate, I was very shy student. You know, I don't even used to ask the doubts to the teachers. But you know, in during my tenure during this teaching is actually, you know, second time learning. Teaching is actually we revise our things what we have learned. So it's like, you know, in the teaching I came to know, like, you know, whenever you want to teach something to others, you study it twice, thrice, you know, with the perspective that what questions our students will ask with that perspective. So you'll learn thoroughly, you'll go through the subject and you'll try to deliver your best. So that's the best part. So you'll learn the presentation skills, you'll learn the public convincing skills, and a lot of other innate skills you'll develop. So that was really, actually, that job has helped me in grooming my personality. And where I am today, I believe that, you know, it's because of that role of teaching that I've took up. I want to know. So now, just like, you know, I want to switch my career. Like, you know, it was like a regular day in my life. Like I was doing from 9 to 5 job. So I like after a span of time, I worked almost for 6 years. So I didn't found it challenging. You know, initially in 1-2 years, it was a bit challenging for convincing students and to make sure that, you know, they go in synchronization with me. But after I like, it was not very challenging for me. I was taking some 5-6 subjects and I was repeating the same thing throughout. So so it was like now I want to do something challenging with which you know, I could learn new things and I could do some innovative kind of things. So that's why I have opted to make a career in IT on information security. So a typical day in the work looks like, you know, basically what are your work roles and responsibilities. Any job you do, you have to be, you know, very punctual, you have to be very loyal to your job, and you have to say that, you know, you have to have a sense of responsibility. That's very much important. Why? Because, you know, you have to have a honesty, you have to be self-determined, and you have to make sure that, you know, how much office hours you are delivering or you are committed to give. We have to be very much effective and efficient in giving that. So that comes with the determination and also an honesty towards your like work. So it actually comes with, you know, if you are actually, if you love your work, if you love our job, and if you are enjoying, so we'll try to deliver our best. So it's actually in you can see this in any domain. We see the
Mashallah,
people.
great, nice, nice to know about what is work and your like your
Yes, ma'am.
emotions, your feelings about the work. How did you feel about the work?
Yes, ma'am.
So for any work, if you have a passion, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have a passion to do, you can do anything. You can dedication, you can incult dedication, you can motivate yourself, everything.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you should have a passion of anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Passion. If you have passion, you can do anything.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for the opportunity.
Yes. So just inculcate the passion. Okay, that passion you have to inculcate. That then only you can achieve your goals.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And about the video also, ma'am. Just now the video you have shown, it's really very nice, ma'am. That boy has delivered excellently, ma'am. Your student, mashallah. It's very nice, mashallah.
So from kids also will get inspiration.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nowadays,
Really.
these people, youngsters, this
Yes.
generation, they are very forward.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
So they are very forward. They are taking challenges and they are going ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
So he is from Masla branch. So
yes,
actually, once again, I introduce my. I want to give introduction from my part. Okay, I'll start.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I am
ma'am.
Asna Parveen. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We love to. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Please.
Yes. So I am Asna Parveen. I have done my MCA, Masters in Computer Application. After that, I have started my career with PG College. So I taught for the PG students for MCA course. So I started my first ever job. I have started with PG students. For PG, for MCA course, I have taught C++, C language, Java. These subjects I have taught to them. Okay, actually, I have started my career like while studying. During my graduation, I have started my career, means like I have started teaching in school as a part-time teacher.
MashaAllah.
So
Yes, ma'am.
from my graduation only, I have started my teaching part. So since 15 years, I was there in teaching.
MashaAllah.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
I have started my career from PG college, that is Bharat PG college. Then I moved towards Avanti Degree College. I have taught there for PG students also. And I have come across with the Bharat PG college. They have delegated me for the inspection for the engineering college. I visited engineering college of Bharat PG college and for the examination inspection. So they have delegated me there for inspection. So, and I have conducted, I have IT conference in Bharat PG college for the MSc and MCA students. For this, I have visited to invite our chief guest. I visited Secretariat to invite Sabita Indra Reddy, former education minister, and I have visited HCU and Triple IT to invite professors to render their lectures on their projects, what they are doing, so that students will get familiarity how to deal with the projects. So that is the main important thing for any student, those who are doing professional course.
Yes, ma'am.
As a woman, I have not opted for B.Ed. So I have opted for MCA as I want to go for the professional course. So I have opted for MCA. So after my marriage, I like my husband motivated me a lot. So from PG, I worked in Bangalore also for degree college, for BCom, BCA. And even in Hyderabad, I taught to Shadan Degree College, taught in Shadan Degree College. After that, I have moved for my kids. I have moved to Inside International School. There I have taught IGCSE syllabus students computer science. So I'm familiar with how to handle MS Office, everything. And I've guided students of PG and UG students also for their projects. And I have been, during my MCA course, I have been in BHL. I have done my project in BHL, like call monitoring system.
MashaAllah.
So right now I'm in Aurangabad since from 5 years. So I belong to now, right now I'm working for Ikhra International School. Basically, it's from Bombay. So they have branches in Maharashtra region. So I'm handling online classes of Maharashtra region.
MashaAllah.
So this is whatever the video I have shown. So elocution competition. So that is Abdul Aziz Khazi. He placed second position in this competition. So I've created a channel for the students so that I can upload the videos, because right now physically they are not coming to the school. Whatever they have to do from home only. So I am giving some assignments to them in terms of video so that they will get confidence.
Yes, ma'am. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, ma'am. But it's really, really, you are doing a great job, MashaAllah. May Allah accept your efforts for the upliftment, ma'am. It's really, MashaAllah, it's very, very convincing, ma'am. MashaAllah.
Yeah, my aim is for the upliftment of our community. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Really.
The community people should upliftment of that means they should go in a professional way.
Yes, ma'am.
They should
Definitely.
have a very professional language,
Yes, ma'am.
global language, and be professional. Like this, my aim is like that.
Mashallah, ma'am. So, ma'am, currently you are not based in Hyderabad, ma'am. Sorry to ask you. Like you
Yeah,
are not
currently yes, I am joining from Aurangabad.
Acha, okay, ma'am.
My native place is Hyderabad.
Acha.
Inshallah,
Yes, ma'am.
after few months, I'll be there in Hyderabad.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Mashallah, mashallah. But you are doing a great job, mashallah. But may Allah accept your efforts and may Allah reward you the best, ma'am. Inshallah, in both the worlds. Ameen.
Ameen, ameen.
So I'm expecting like you people to become entrepreneurs. Inshallah.
Yes, ma'am. Inshallah, ma'am. Inshallah.
Inshallah. So good efforts and motivation, self-motivation, everything, go ahead with your dedication. Okay, inshallah. So let anyone you want to give your introduction or want to talk about on this work?
Yes, ma'am, I will.
Okay. Okay, sir. Please.
Okay. I work for digital process from last 3 years, and I'm continuing in this work. My parents' friends motivated me to. They used to give examples like, if you study, you will become a good person. Like, they motivated me. I always want to become an IT engineer. I want to make my career in IT industry. My first job was in sales as sales coordinator. I used to sell the products and make invoice. If the client taking the product on credit basis, I used to follow up by the email and phone and maintain the record. My typical day is like every day is a typical
Next, please,
day.
very quickly, please.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
No. Okay. Continue, sir. Continue.
Okay. Last point, ma'am. Every day is a typical day because, ma'am, daily the work process will be changed in my company. So every day is a typical day. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Jazakallah, sir. Please, others come up. Few points. Speak out. You have these options: work, life, travel, food, weather. 2 sentences. Learning a language, weekend plans. Yes, anybody? Mr. Abdul Wasi, please speak out. You have prepared? Okay, I will discuss this one. I have shared some resume, no? We'll discuss that one. Okay, I will share this resume. Here we have one sample resume. Can you see?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So just have a look. If you have like any doubt, just ask me the doubt if you have. See here. First name, last name, your current address, current city, phone number, right side, and email. Then start with the education, Master of Business Administration, and the college name, everything. Then next is Bachelor of Business Administration. Then experience. Experience matters a lot for any company. Then skills and memberships. Okay, computer skills, MS Office, Suite, Dreamweaver, basic HTML, language skills, fluent in Hindi, Urdu, and English. So this is about the one resume. We'll check it out for the other part, other resume. Okay, see this. Left side photo, then here full name, location, contact number, email, then professional summary, recent graduate of a top tier university with a self-starter attitude and experience in data analysis, building process solutions and leading people to achieve quality outcomes. Then educational background, additional education and certification is most important. Okay, then key skills, internship and projects, notable accomplishments, then personal information. This is the best resume. According this, just prepare your resume.
Ma'am, this comes in
Everyone
class A,
agree for
ma'am.
this? Yes, agree for this?
Yeah, agree, ma'am. Is this comes in class A?
Yes.
Is this comes in class A? Class A resume. You are saying no, ma'am. Class A resume.
Yes.
This comes in class A, ma'am.
Yes. This is the resume CV.
Okay.
Okay. So according to this, like professional summary, educational background, according to this, you just prepare this.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. I have seen the same template even in Microsoft Word. It's giving some templates, ma'am, like in order to make the cover letters and everything. I think this Alia Muhammad resume is a template of Microsoft Word 2019. If you look at the various templates, you could find something very related to this, ma'am. I think it might not be exact, but it's very related to this, ma'am.
Okay. So
Like
please follow this because it's very good. It is updated one. It
Yes,
has
ma'am.
the data science and big data. Nowadays it's going on. This artificial intelligence, AWS, it is related to this only. Internet of Things. Okay, and go for, I have already said, you can go for the projects or just enroll for that so that you can include in your resume. Pursuing like that, you can add up. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Please
ma'am.
work on this. Okay. Key
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
skills,
ma'am.
leadership, teamwork, problem solving. These are the most important things. These are the adjectives for you. You have this type of skills. And acknowledged for starting Java club in the college during the BTech program. So your involvement as a student, as a team leader, you have to notable accomplishments. That is, suppose you have attended seminar, anything related to any topic, you can note that. You can include in that. Okay, nowadays everything is web. So on web, you can become a member. You can become a part of that. Yeah, you can become a volunteer in that club. Everything. So okay, it means you are a part of that club or you have joined that course. So please do this. Utilize your web, internet, and your time.
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, yesterday I've shared this resume.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
go
Yes, ma'am.
through this
It is
according.
on the group. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It's in our group, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So everybody is okay with this resume?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's quick and it's comprehensive, ma'am. It's quick and comprehensive.
Yeah, I think so. It will take 2 pages, not more than that. I think so. 2 pages only.
Yes, ma'am. If we elaborate, yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, we'll stop here. Inshallah, tomorrow we'll continue with the. Please
Yes,
do
ma'am.
the preparation for introduction. Please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Inshallah, we'll definitely do, ma'am. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you, ma'am.